This is a 1995 Dodge Ram Cummins diesel, and it's next in line for a makeover here in the Pirate Jet. Now currently this truck isn't much to look at, and we're going to change that in a few ways. We have a custom bumper that we're going to put on, made by a local guy. We have rims and tires that we're going to do some rock ring rim stiffeners, and we're going to modify down some troop seats from an old Humvee to use as bedsides. First up is the front bumper, and this was designed and laser cut by a local custom shop, and the assembly is left to us. Check it out. With the front bumper fully installed, we move on to the next phase, rims and tires. Now we decided to go with the rock ring rim stiffeners. We've been wanting to try these for a little bit. Turned out pretty good. Take a look. And last but not least is our custom troop seat bedsides. We've cut these down from the Humvee. We've modified the mounting brackets for easy installation, and on they go. And there you have it. Now there will be a few engine modifications coming up, maybe in future videos, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.